what's up everybody? It's Stephen here from Mod2Fame and we back with another video. This one is pretty exciting though, because we about to run down on somebody. Yeah, let's go. So this is the part y'all all been waiting for right here. That's right, we are inside the Huracan. Now, I remember my days of driving a Gallardo a lot, and my legs was even more bunched up than this. Y'all see this? Look at this, look at this. My legs are all the way out.
Was the Gallardo a Spider?
It was a Gallardo Spider and a coupe. I used to drive both.
So the Spider, they have to push the seats up a little bit.
Yeah,
so that's why your legs were probably more.
Yeah. But that being
like
said,
the
man,
Huracan Spider, I'm like all the way up here.
That's crazy. The crazy part about these new cars, though, look at this dash. Like, look how futuristic that shit look, man. Like, look at all of this. I mean, come on, man. Got the jet fighters. Okay, Zane. Thanks a lot, brother. Thanks a lot, Zane.
No problem.
He's trying to destroy our opportunity to do any real talking to you guys. He like, all right, enough of that bullshit.
Let's hear the car. Let's let the car do the talking. Right?
Whoa! He said you talk too much, Steph. Shut up. That's what he said. But this car is so low, you gotta go in at the ill angle. He's still going straight though. Oh, shucky ducky quack quack. He didn't scrape. That's surprising. So unfortunately, guys, it is a little earlier in the we right in rush hour almost time.
Kind of. Over here, there's not really too much rush hour.
We're gonna see what the Huracan is talking about. Well, y'all saw me race a Huracan already, and we saw what happens up top. So we don't need to do that again. But we'll do it from inside the car this time. So tell me, Zane, man, what's your favorite part of driving this car? What's the favorite part for you?
My favorite part about driving this car is the exhaust. Downshifting, upshifting.
Wah, pop, 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 pop.
Yeah, the pop.
Wah, pop, 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 pop. Nah, I totally agree.
It can never get old.
And then the reaction of people, I mean, I was driving behind you. I mean, just look at the school kids right now. They're like all excited. They're like, oh my God, Daddy, they filming though, they filming. They turn their back when they saw the camera. Exactly. Nobody wants to be on camera until they want to be on camera. So Corsa is like a comfort mode for this car, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
No, Strada is.
Oh, Corsa is the real deal, huh?
Sport and Corsa is like track. That's when you feel the shifts.
So you driving right now in the race type shit.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's when the exhaust opens up and stuff. So.
Okay.
You hear the crackles. And
fastest car you've ever driven? Go.
Fastest car I've driven. I don't know.
You don't know?
Fastest car. I drive so many cars.
And you can't remember which one is the fastest.
I think it's like a 1200 horsepower GTR.
Okay, that's the fastest.
That's the fastest car.
Coolest car you've ever driven?
Coolest car. This car.
Thank you. I was about to say, come on, man. Yo, don't do your man Roman like that. You cannot do your man Roman like that. He gave you the car to do the review, and you can't even call my man car cool. Nah, good job though. Good job. But this really is cool though, bro. Like the fully Liberty walked out and all that. Yo, this shit hit. This shit hit, boy. Wow. This car hit. Like, wow. You know what? That all-wheel drive.
I have a smile on my face right.
That all-wheel drive, bro, is the truth, man.
Yeah.
Because there's no drama, there's no nothing. It just goes.
It's just the noise, the shifts, the feeling. You get put back in your seat. Even I get put back in the seat as a driver. Usually as a driver, you don't really feel it, but this thing fucking.
Nah, definitely, man. Now, y'all know I'm an old man, so I felt that in my back. I felt that one in my back. I was like, damn. Oh, we got the Charger behind us. Okay, the Charger don't want it though. He don't want it.
Yeah, right.
Charger 392. Nah, you better go get a Hellcat, bro. Nah, Dylan, we you, man. We with you. Now, this is always the interesting part in this car. Going over stuff like train tracks or whatever, because it's so freaking low. Oh, this is super interesting here. Please don't scrape, please don't scrape, please don't scrape. Oh, we made it. Ninja, we made it.
Might as well just keep half the car in the fucking ground.
I give you respect, Zane. You know what you're doing behind the wheel, man. So talk to me, man. What's done to this 2017, right?
It's 15.
2015.
It's a 2015
Lamborghini Huracan 610-4.
Exactly. Yep.
Okay, and what's done to it? Let's start with aesthetics. Go.
So there's a full Liberty Walk kit, carbon fiber accents. He has a full. What's up?
Yo, did you get that?
He has a full. He did a full wrap to this car. Actually, the owner of this car is 8Wicked9 on Instagram. He owns exclusive vinyl and Modena Customs.
Yep.
He wrapped this car in satin black. He put Novatech springs on it, so it's not on airbags. It's on coilovers.
So is this
springs.
low all the time?
Yeah, it's low all the time.
God damn. And I see it got some wheels on it.
He has some wheels on it.
Okay.
And then he has a Soul Performance exhaust, the loudest exhaust they have. So legit, if you want to look for a Huracan exhaust, Soul Performance is the loudest exhaust on the market right now.
Damn. Well, I can tell you, this car screams.
Yeah, it's
I mean,
loud.
we heard it and it screams. I mean, I'm gonna let y'all hear a couple revs. Actually, right now. Cut to that right now. Show them some revs.
So it has exhaust, springs, Liberty Walk kit, wheels, and underglow. Can't forget about that.
Underglow! Yo, they brought back the old Fast and Furious underglow. You gotta love it. And on a Lambo, nonetheless. That's just crazy, man.
Yeah.
So, with those mods, I mean, you gotta think about it though. This car is already super expensive.
Yeah.
Those mods are all super expensive.
Exactly. Yeah.
So, I guess that means that he must be really good at wrapping cars.
Yeah, he's really.
He must be really good at wrapping cars.
He's the best in the game.
Alright, well y'all heard it, man. Exclusive Vinyl is where it's at. Y'all need to go check them out. I guess if y'all need a wrap or something like that, you know, because they must be good at what they do. If your man got a Liberty Walk, wide body.
And remember, all he had to do was pay for the parts. The install was basically free because he did everything by himself.
In the comments right now, tell us how much a Liberty Walk kit is, just the parts, for a Lamborghini Huracan.
Tell us how much money do you think he put in this car, right?
That's a good question.
Right?
How much money total do you think that he put into this car? That's a great question, actually. Something that I'm curious to know.
So it's a 15 exhaust, rims, kit, underglow.
Exhaust? You said exhaust already. Tuned or no?
No, not tuned, stock.
Okay, still
this
stock
car is
tuned.
like fully stock. That's the only thing it has. And remember, it has carbon fiber accents too. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, it's already a fast car.
Yeah.
These cars run 10s stock.
Yeah.
Which is
610 horsepower to the crank.
right, which is unbelievable that you could buy a car straight out the dealer
Full-wheel drive.
and run 10s.
It just hooks.
Y'all hear that? I mean, you gotta love that shit. Jeez. The exhaust is your favorite part.
My favorite part.
I mean, I could definitely see why, man. It's just, like the overrun is crazy. The boys over there?
Yeah.
You know the boys is always watching.
This is like I think this is like
the courthouse?
Yeah.
So you just brought me to jail, huh? That's what you did? You just brought me to jail? Thanks, Abe. Yo, not for nothing, this is bananas. Yo, I hope y'all liking this video, man. I really am, because although we didn't drive it crazy, this is really, the way this car is so low, we gotta go on like some serious open roads. So we're gonna do a part 2 of this video coming up soon. But for now, on to the next part. Alright, y'all. So in this door right here is another group. You know how we had these pop-up meets and we had these events, and it's pretty crazy. Well, there's another group of car individuals that do it, and they do it big. I ain't gonna hold y'all, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. They do it pretty big up in this place right here as it relates to anything in the car scene. They're very well known. They got a lot of people that try to come and see them, but you know, sometimes they say if you can't beat them, join them. But now we gonna run down on them and see if they wanna know what's good. Come on. I thought it was just gonna be like a little garage or something.
No,
what is all of this about, brother?
So basically, this is our lounge area. Everybody from car community comes here and we're like hanging out and do our things. And then we have our conference room over there where we like have our board meetings about all the events we're having, rallies, merchandising, everything.
Merchandising?
Yeah.
So these shirts and all that, this is just not for fun? You actually do this?
Yeah, we do this. So I actually have a gift for you too.
You got a gift for me?
I got a gift for you.
Oh, I can't run down on him. He got gifts.
There you go.
Hey, that's what's up. Appreciate it. And look, he ready. He got the double XL. But I'm losing weight. I'm working.
I got one for you,
Just
Gene, too.
Okay, Gene too.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Those are the last two. There's no more.
Hey, look at that. I'm gonna rock this very proudly. So I mean, I'm trying to understand, bro. You know, most people know y'all for doing the car rallies and stuff like that. Why are you doing this?
Basically, this helps get our name out more. You know what I mean? And just wearing the clothes is like pretty dope and stuff, you know, for most people.
So if anybody watching this wanted to buy some merch, how would they do it? So
you guys go to carcommunity.org and you can buy anything you want. We do all our productions, so right here.
You did all of this last night?
Yeah.
But this isn't car community. What is this?
So basically, I'm a partner in this company called Custom Vinyl Shop, and we do all this merchandising for everybody. Stickers, shirts.
Oh, so you do it for other people too?
Yeah, for everybody.
What about graphic design? You do the graphic design too?
Yeah, we do graphic designing too. Yep.
Yo, your G face is lighting up right now. Your G face is lighting up right now because we've been looking for that ourselves.
Yeah.
Did you draw a heart? I did. I said Mod2Fame loves car community.
Yeah.
What's up, everybody? It's Stefan here from Mod2Fame, and you just watched a video from our latest series called Modified Car Reviews. Well, what is Modified Car Reviews? Well, it's actually when we feature cars that have actually been built performance-wise, aesthetics, I mean, you name it, that's been done to the car. We actually consider that a modified car or a car built. If you're interested in having your car be featured on Mod2Fame, it's pretty simple. You just hit the email support@mod2fame.com. That's showing up right now. Send us a couple images of your car and a little bit of information on your build. And if you're selected, we'll reach out to you. Keep in mind, we are in the Northeast, so we're keeping it right now in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut. But anyway, also while you're on the website, you might as well grab some of this merch, like what I'm wearing right now. This is the Black Edition t-shirt. Whatever I was wearing in the video, I'm not sure which one it is. It could have been one of the hats. It could have been a different shirt. All of it is available right now at mod2fame.com. So go ahead and grab that for yourself. Anyway, it's your boy Stefan here from Mod2Fame. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos. But until the next one, we about to jump in this modified Durango, and we out.